Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and I know it's been a long time no video, but honestly, with everything that's been going on, I just haven't had much motivation to do a video. But I'm here today to let you know that we're still here, and we are going to be do a lesson with me today. We're actually doing a lesson from My Father's World, the 10 Commandments activity pack. It's free on their website. It's for preschoolers and kindergartners from their Voyage of Discovery preschool curriculum. We've never done Voyage of Discovery before, so we were excited to give it a try. In today's video, I'm doing day 1, and we are only doing half of the day because that's just how I decided to break it up. Basically, you study 2 commandments per day, but we're going to do 1 commandment per day since I have so many other kids to homeschool. You can try that activity pack for free if you have older kids, 1st to 8th grade. You can try their Brazil activity pack. It is from Exploring Countries and Cultures, and you may know that we did Exploring Countries and Cultures last year. I actually have a blog post on Brazil. It was a ton of fun. Before we jump into the lesson, I wanted to let you guys know that My Father's World is running their discounted curriculum packages through May 15th. So if you've been thinking about becoming a My Father's World family, now is a great time to get your curriculum for less. You can also use my coupon code to get free ocean cookie cutters. I am working with My Father's World through May, and I'm super excited about that because I am a longtime user and have been talking to you guys about My Father's World for years. So this is exciting and fun for me, and I just love spreading the message of this curriculum. So, like I said, we're going to be doing the lesson. I'm doing it with my 4-year-old and my 2-year-old. I was gonna have my 5-year-old join in, but he was playing with his brother, my 7-year-old, nicely today. So I just let him play, but my 4-year-old was super, super excited about doing her lessons with mommy. So that's what we did. My 2-year-old just kind of tagged along with her. So we had a lot of fun, and it didn't take long at all to get through it. It wouldn't have taken too much longer to finish the whole day, but like I said, I needed to stop. I needed to do school with my older kids, and I knew that trying to corral the kids back in later on in the day would be a little bit more difficult. We can sit down and read books and stuff. That's different than trying to do like a full-on lesson for me. So if you only have preschoolers and kindergartners, you could definitely get through the first day, no problem. It's a lot of fun. Let's see. Now, I am sorry, but my phone, the audio is doing some weird stuff. I didn't realize that it was messed up until I went to edit this video. So I am totally re-recording my intro right now. Some of it sounds very muffled, and I do apologize for that. I have to figure out what's going on, and it's probably a sign that I need to invest in an actual like vlogging camera if I want to keep doing YouTube videos. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get my my mic fixed. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump into the lesson. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't. So let's go. So before we get started, she requested a coloring page. So I think this is from like day 5 or something, but I went on ahead and gave it to her so she can.
It's more like Nemo.
Kind of. So she can color that while I'm reading. Lifesavers, guys. Get them at the table with snacks, okay? So this is what day 1 looks like. It says 10 Commandments activities. So it tells you exactly what to say.
Mommy, can I draw a scene on too?
Yeah, hang on. We're gonna do our 10 Commandments poster.
Eli can draw a crayon.
Here, does Eli want to play with the Peppa Pig book?
No, I want to play with that.
Oh, you want the marker?
Yeah.
Hey, Eli. Eli, you want to play with the Peppa Pig book while Mommy reads?
But that's mine.
I know. But he can play with a page, can't he?
Well, he didn't pay for she.
I have one child missing, but he will be over here soon. So.
Yeah, I want to play.
I'm gonna have to print him another sheet because I only printed one so far. So I'm gonna have to print another one. I don't have another coloring sheet
Mommy,
yet.
can I put one now?
Yeah, here in just a second. I'm explaining what we're gonna do first, okay? All right, and then we're gonna work on listen and obey. We have a cotton ball race.
Yes.
Hang on.
And I'm coming with this sheep.
She tried to put on lipstick this morning, guys. That's what's on her face. Okay. And then we're gonna read a story and work on some more commandments today. Nobody goes before God, right?
Yeah, nobody goes before God.
Do you remember how God saved his people from being slaves in Egypt?
No, I don't.
You don't remember that. God chose Moses to lead them. God sent a cloud by day and a fire by night so they would know where to go. God helped them walk through the sea on a dry path.
A turtle and a seahorse.
A turtle and a seahorse. Then they walked and walked and walked in the desert, and God gave them special food called manna. Can you say that?
Yeah, manna.
Manna. That's what he gave them when they were leaving Egypt. Okay?
Yeah, when they were in Egypt.
Now God is telling his people, I am your God. Love me with your whole heart and soul and strength. God tells us that too. He is so good to us. He wants us to love him with our whole heart and soul and strength. Okay? We're going to talk about the first commandment in the Bible. Okay? And I have a sheet that tells us that. So here are 10 commandments. I will in just a minute, but I'm going to read you the first one, okay? I am the Lord your God. Do not put any other gods in place of me.
Do not put in place of me.
Good. Okay, so I'm going to read you a story. It's called Love Me.
Love me.
Sam loves his little sister Katie. He helps to look after her. Sam loves to play soccer with his friends. They have fun together. Sam loves to have picnics on the beach. He eats nice food and splashes in the water. Sam loves going on trips to the farm.
Trips to the farm.
He sees lots of different animals. Sam loves listening to stories at bedtime. Soon he is fast asleep. Okay.
Sam must be at bedtime.
Sam knows he's loved by someone very special. God, his heavenly Father. Sam loves God. Alright, let's read the very last part of the story.
No, wait, what's like this?
Hey Ava, do you remember the first commandment?
Yeah.
Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. Okay, so now we have a couple of activities. I'm going to do those after I do school with my bigger kids. And then this activity pack actually covers 2 commandments per day.
I'm trying to cuddle on this sheet so I can draw on it.
Okay.
Like this little fish with a sea.
Okay, that's fine, baby.
Mommy,
So,
a big wheel.
okay, so what I'm actually going to do is divide up the days and cover it over 10 days because I know that she's not going to have the attention span to cover number 2 today unless we do it later in the day, but I have other kids to teach as well, so.
So I'm going on the seat so I can draw on the whole cat. So I can draw the
So I will show you guys our activities that we do in a little while. And that will be it for preschool today. I'm also going to read them some books and stuff. I'll show you those as well.
And I'm going to the too. Oh, because the first is in the water.
Okay. Alright guys, we're going to go outside to do the 2 activities that are planned for today. We have an activity cotton ball race and then a listen and obey game. And I'm going to change up just a little bit, but not too much. It's going to be very simple. I'm going to tell you guys what else is included for day 1. Like I said earlier, you are covering 2 commandments per day, but since we have a pretty packed school day with older children, I'm only going to do 1 per day. So we would also work on the 2nd commandment. There is a little thing to read to the kids about the 2nd commandment. And then one of the activities is to bake cookies and follow directions. It says to pretend you are silly sassafras who doesn't like to follow directions. And then you show the kids what's going to happen if you don't follow the directions when making the cookie dough. So then the kids will end up having cookies for a snack. And then the 2nd activity is to do parts of the body. So you would talk about different parts of the body with your preschooler or kindergartner, and then you would draw a person step by step and have your child mimic what you're doing as far as drawing the person step by step. So that is the first day of this 10 commandment pack. It's pretty cool. I am going to add a few picture books. I don't think I have any picture books about the 10 commandments here at home, but I do have some body part books, and I'll just find something else as well to add to that.
Instructions that you need to listen and obey.
Yeah.
So you can find the quarter.
Yeah, I want to find the quarter one.
Okay. Now, I'm going to give you some instructions. Walk next to the water hose.
Oh, yes, I will walk next to the water hose.
Okay, can you do that?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do it. Where's the water hose, Ava? You went the wrong way.
Ava.
Right here. Yeah, no, out here. Come here. Now, yes, walk along the water hose.
It's there. Mm-hmm.
Walk. All the way to the sandbox.
Oh, yeah.
Now look in the sandbox. Do you see a coin in the sandbox? Keep looking. Look in the sandbox.
Look back in the sandbox.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
There's a coin in there.
Told her.
Okay, get it out. Yay!
Yay!
Show it to me.
Eli, give me the hose.
Good job.
Mommy, you want my glasses.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to pick up the cotton ball with your spoon and walk it over to the cups.
Oh, yes.
Right over here.
My hand?
Uh-huh. Try not to hold the cotton ball, though.
This one? There we go.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Hey, you'll get to go next, okay? All right, hurry back, hurry back. You got to keep doing it. You got to get all the balls. And then we'll do Eli's turn. Okay. Hang on.
This one.
Hey, Bubby, you're gonna get a turn next, okay? Uh-oh.
Just go, Ava, just try and go slow. Slow and steady wins the race. I want to do it in this one. Come on, Ava.
All right, it's your turn, Bub.
3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, Ava. Oh, wait. You don't want to go climb? Yeah, that's offensive. I'm cool.
Go slow. There you go.
Auntie, put that back.
Get your ball.
Get one. Give me my glasses, they're mine. Ow.
Whoops.
That hurts, Ava. What's this, Ava? I'm going out in the sun, wait. I want it to be my turn.
Good job.